Again, good work by Duba. And helping Chiefs from the ball back now. Here they are looking to explode onto the front foot. Pace, plenty of it for Duba, who's avoided 2 or 3. Now, Duba, tough angle, looking for the man on the far post! One the Chiefs! Modi with his first of the season, and what a time! What a place to get it! Brilliant from Duba! Absolutely brilliant on the right flank! Kept going against 2 or 3, got the better of them, and coming up on the blind side, creeping up on the blind side, was Modi. Had to wait for his first in the Betway Premiership this season. And when he does score it, it could have a huge bearing on who gets crowned champion at the end of the season. Whether the Storm in the first half make the adjustments in the second did Ben Yusuf as well as Cedric Kaze. Involved again. Glovo in winning it back. Spoken of how physical he's been and how great he's been defensively. And from that point on, Chiefs are on their way. Duba with a nice little 1-2. He's got pace. Getting beyond 2 is no problem. Now, keeps his composure here. At first it looked there were no options, but bought his time, and when he released, he found Modi perfectly placed for the tap-in. Chain will have to wait longer for his 18th clean sheet. Chiefs grab the lead. Just beyond the hour mark. Just what the game needed, the breakthrough.